Very great afternoon, dear all students. Now let us start. Today is your last lecture. So might be first day you are learning. You might have enjoyed. So let us start with our session. This is our first lecture of material science. Do you see my slide? Students, do
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
my
Yes, ma'am.
slide?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Okay. Now let
Yes,
us
ma'am.
start.
Yes, ma'am.
Let us start. You just mute yourself. When I will ask question, you can unmute yourself. Okay. So today is our first lecture of material science course. You know, because I have introduced myself and you have also started creatively introducing yourself like what way I did. So it's a wonderful journey and that I am also getting lot of fun also by watching your introduction videos. So let us plan that way for all our class teachers in the whole class, your introduction also in a creative way. Now today I want to start with my first session, which is planning for multidimensional development. Multidimensional development of whom? Yours, because now you have just entered in AI electrical engineering department and 3 years are to go ahead. 6 semesters are there. So what you can plan in these 6 semesters, what goals you can keep, because already I told you, you start setting goal one session, I will take on goal setting also and manifesting goals like that also I will take. So let us think how you can plan this semester, because this semester is more important. This is the first semester in electrical engineering department, and then 6 semesters you need to plan. And what characteristics, what qualities, what activities are important for you to get good job, good placement, and when you will enter in the outside world, professional world, what things are required. You must have good job in your hand, at least this you have to plan. And for the good campus, what is the demand of the industry? That is the objective of this session. So I welcome you, all of you, in my session. So let us start. If we see related to our material science course, what are the duties or activities of a teacher? I just want to tell you, because this I have to complete in one semester. So I have to define my course objective. What can be the objective of material science? Then I have to do mapping with outcome, because what outcome from you I am expecting in the material science, I must plan with my objectives, and whatever is there is industrial demand, they are called as program outcomes. So that 12 program outcomes is the industrial demand from you, not from us. So if industry has specified the in program outcomes, 12 program outcomes, I must plan to teach course that whole 12 program outcomes, at least 8-9 program outcomes I should able to map with the material science course. Then only all the qualities what industry expect from you, it will be getting developed among you. So that will be my objective. So not only material science syllabus coverage is my objective, but whatever 12 program outcomes, I would like to focus on many aspects, means your overall development. So teaching learning process, I have to plan that way, and whatever plan I will do, you have to execute that, and then we'll see what will be the course outcome. I have to define assessment methodology, how I will assess. You must know assessment tools, weightages of assessment. So this is also one important activity. Then we will evaluate your performance. Then I have to validate the results, whether satisfactory outcome results I have achieved from you or no. If no, that means something is missing, and then I can revise my whole objectives and methodologies. So these are my teaching learning activities which I require to do in this semester, and you also need to execute all these things. So let us start with the reflection, because I never conduct lecture in a one way. I should see how you will also discuss between among you, means students to student communication can happen, and communication between student teacher can also happen, not only one direction from teacher to student. So I request all of you to take one notebook and one pen. You keep separate notebook for material science, please, because we have double practical that already I have introduced you in induction. So practical A, practical B, double scope is there for material science. You know, term work marks are there, oral exam is there, practical sessions are 4 hours per week for every batch, and theory. So just pen down what activities are important for placement, which you think, or you just use chat box and just communicate in the chat box. So just start. I will open chat box.
Hello, ma'am.
Ha.
Many of the students are unable to connect the online session. Can you share the link again?
Link is already there in material science WhatsApp group.
Ma'am,
I
it
have,
is unable to open.
but you can join from timetable. Tell them to join from timetable.
No,
Open
ma'am.
the.
Some of the students are not connected to Teams, so because of their logins were late, so they are asking for the link.
Link is there already posted or no?
It is posted, but ma'am, it is unable to open. It's not opening
Then
directly.
how you join?
Ma'am, I had logged in, so but my friends have not logged in, and their link is unable to open. So
Okay, 1 minute. Huh?
3 or 4 friends have messaged me personally. Ask ma'am to send the link again. That's why.
Now 35 are there. Let them watch my video. Okay, I will not now disrupt my session. Let us continue. So already you attended 3 lectures. I will post it recording. They will watch on the recording. Why to disturb in the lecture? Let us continue. So I just want answers from you in the chat box. Start giving me or you just write down in your notebook. Be quick, write down the points. What activities do you think required for the placement? Put it on your paper and just give me your picture. Think it in innovative way. You note down points in your notebook, and that points you make it happen to reach to me. Picture of your points. Can you think how your points from the notebook will come to me in the innovative way? Think it, how you can make your picture, what you have written in the notebook, how that picture will come to me. Write down the activities which are important from the placement point of view. Whether somebody has written at least one point, Amay, Varade, Shruti. Shruti, have you written some point in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am. I have
So
written
think how you can communicate with me. Your
Yes, ma'am.
picture of your notebook should reach to me. How it can happen? Start thinking, because since beginning I am focusing on your thinking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Are you able
Oh,
to see?
good, good, good.
Yes, ma'am. Like
Very
this.
nice, Shruti. Congratulations, Shruti. Well done.
Thank you,
Congratulations.
ma'am.
Very good creativity, which teachers could not have. Which teachers could not have also demonstrated me. You know. Really well done. Really well done,
Thank
Shruti.
you.
Can any another student think in an innovative way? Not you should not follow now, Shruti. Think in another way. Think in another way. Only 1 minute I can give just to gain your interest. Lokhande. Yes. What you want to say? I don't want any your verbal communication, verbal response, verbal reflection. I need reflection in picture form. Like that, I requested your introduction in some video form. How I introduce? Whether I introduce conventionally? No. I told you the purpose also. That way introduction. Yes.
Ma'am, I am sharing screen of my notebook. So are you able to see that?
See, now see, screen is shared by Shruti. That way is now you should not repeat the same ways. Think differently. We should not follow anybody. You know, our thinking should be different. Already I told you now no following Shruti. Shruti already jumped in first. You think it now differently. How you can make your picture reach to me?
Ma'am, in chat box we will upload our notebook pictures.
Where is? I could
Ma'am,
not
I
get.
have uploaded the picture in chat box. I have uploaded the picture.
You have uploaded in chat box?
Yes.
Miss, what's your name? You miss, what's your name?
Arjun,
Hello?
ma'am.
And me,
Oh,
Amey,
very good. I could not see the name. What's your name?
but Arjun has also posted the picture simultaneously. I think because of network issues, he is unable to upload it.
Okay, okay, I will
Yeah,
see.
now he has uploaded.
Oh, I forgot to send, but
Wonderful,
forgot to
wonderful, wonderful. Yes. Technical knowledge, Arjun has answered technical knowledge, Shruti has answered soft skill. Same, they have uploaded the picture also. Then fluent English, am I good? Nilanj, soft skill and confidence in facing GD, very good. Mohire, Pratik, communication skill. That's why we are seeing now communication skill is not only verbal. You can think in a innovative way. Maske, Sharvari, what you are saying? Speaking skills, okay, Sharvari. Manjit, leadership skills, very good, Manjit. Then technical skills, personality, attitude, very good. Meshram, Ruchika, team management qualities, very good. Decision making, please mute yourself. Good decision making, body language, Sumit, good. Supriya, good decision, very good. Now see your responses. All of you, dear students, you see your responses. Who has repeated response? Who has repeated response? Videha, Varade, communication skill, you are repeating. Confidence, Kunal, you are repeating. Reasoning ability, Lokhande, good. Kunal. Okay. What I want to say you, when I am asking you to communicate or response, first thing we need to see what people have given response, and we should not repeat that. Learn this. There should not be repetition. Okay, means when communication is asked to do, you must observe what other people are communicating and start thinking, giving response differently. That is very important. Not your answer should be different, but your mode of communication can be different. So this is demonstrated by student very well. Now what would have been other option? Think. I will not tell you. You can just use that other options in my next part of the session or in tomorrow's session, but go on thinking. I will not tell you. Okay, so wonderful. Now you have started communicating and giving reflections. So good. That is not my teaching. I am just telling you something different. You are also giving me input. So reflection one was what activities are important for placement, and you communicated. Now you have to see number of activities which I will tell you today, and that activity you have to plan in this way. Today after my session you are supposed to do assignment number 2. Assignment number 1 was introduction, video introduction, creative introduction. Assignment 2 you are planning. It doesn't mean that I will go on loading you with assignments. No, no, don't scare. This is important for the term to plan first, and then we'll go slowly. Okay, so second year activities you can divide according to your willingness, according to your choice. You will put the sequence, then you can think what can be done for T, and then you can think what can be done for B. Now I have given this structure, but this structure can be done in a more innovative way. That is called as memory map or some picture. Again, if you are artist, draw picture, draw sketch, whatever way you want to plan. Video also, audio planning also, because you will go on listening while sleeping. That will make impact. So wonderful impact will be there, and that hearing every night will make you to work on that also. So you think how you can make this teaching plan, and you will divide the activities. So let us start. What activities will be there? So before that, I just want to introduce you NBA, because why I am taking this session. Actually, it is my habit. I always take this session for second year students, so that second year students will understand how they can plan in their whole 3 years or 6 semester. But there is another double purpose in my mind, because our college is now planning to go for NBA, so National Board of Accreditation. So we got NAC A+ ranking. Now we have started getting ranks for this NBA, and college is preparing, and I am the coordinator of college. So what I think, unless and until you don't know the objectives of college, how you will interact, how you will participate contributions in the college objectives, because overall teaching learning process is important, and your output, your contribution is a lot. So if you want good grade from the college, after 3 years you will pass out from the college, and from which college you pass out, whether A rank, A+ rank or B rank, that is in your hand. So you must know that way. So NBA is National Board of Accreditation. So it is just simple way grading process. College has to get good grades, marks also. So institute has planned. Now see, this year has gone. It's my earlier PPT. So we are planning now, and just grades are in your hand. So what is there? Important things related to you. So you note down little bit. So there are criterions, 10 criterions are there. So related to each criterion, you must know little bit. This today I will go just in a introductory way, and later on throughout the semester you will go on coming number of things in a better way. But today's my focus from NBA is on 12 program outcomes, because if you will keep 12 program outcomes in your mind, that 12 program outcomes is nothing but industry expect you from. So you must able to show the industry that 12 parameters, and that is nothing but activities or qualities required from you by industry. So that way you will be able to plan your 6 semesters. So first criterion is vision, mission. You need to remember statement, then program, curriculum and teaching learning process, number of activities you need to plan, because see, our syllabus never is up to the mark. Whatever is industrial demand, syllabus is always having backward stage, means lagging. Syllabus always lag with the professional world moves. So today, nowadays, industrial revolutions are there. And what is the curriculum? There is always gap. So that gap we need to fill up by different extra activities which are not mentioned in syllabus. But now I am very happy. Whatever activities I used to conduct for earlier material science course, now they have become the part of syllabus. So that way I am very happy. So in other syllabus, you may require to do out of the syllabus activities. Now this is the most important part which is required for the planning. You just have snap of this. Have the snap, because you will use this snap for planning the 6 semesters ahead. So what is your overall development, multidimensional development? Means in another word, what is required to have good job or to good career? So first thing is exam success. Okay, exam success has to be there. It doesn't mean that you should have good gold rank, university topper. You can have, but not all students can have the gold ranking, topmost ranking. But exam success, you need to plan it. So I don't know what will happen first year. All are going to pass now first year. So that way you are very, very lucky. So start now thinking, focusing on clearing second year also. So that is good. Beginning has started. I don't think now somebody will fail due to the COVID-19 situation. You will be benefited. So exam success is important. That way you can plan what can be your target percentage credit points CGPA this semester. Then second, participation in co-curricular activities. Means I can tell you technical quiz, paper writing, model competition, technical related to your co-curricular activities related to your courses. Then participation in extracurricular activities. And I'm very happy to have your introduction. You know, I'm feeling so energetic that class is good. And some good students we are observing. Communications, response is good, creativity is good. So that way I told to the teacher, teachers also told me this time we see the good class, so we are happy. So I hope that you have already participated in the first year. I'm going to ask you a GFM, okay? So that input I will take, but I expect you that you will also participate in next 3 years in extracurricular activities. Then participation in cultural activities. Since yesterday I am saying tabla and just dhol and some another creativity. So definitely you can do wonderful things in cultural activities too. Most important is social contribution. You know, nowadays industries are asking you what is your social contribution, and I felt very proud with our Rohit. I think if I don't have any mistake, my one weak point is there. I would like to tell you, I can't recall students' name. You know, you just go on telling me again and again. I don't recall. So please excuse me for that matter. I'm weak in that. So social contributions, I think Rohit Patil only told in his introduction that he is having he has founded some organization, very good. So I think all you must focus on the social contributions, okay? The leadership, volunteership experiences, now it was there in the chat, somebody has told that it is important. It's very much important nowadays. You know, leadership has become vital importance. And mind you, my dear participant, leadership means not the position, you know. Leadership is not the position. Leadership is the leading the people. So leader has to lead the people means what? Means he should be ahead? No, he should allow others to lead. Means suppose I am your classmate and I want to become leader, means I will not just go on ahead and showing my all course teachers first willingness this. It is that I will create the leaders. I will motivate my colleagues because I have my skills of leadership. I must make other leaders to come ahead. So leadership is not by virtue of position. It is by virtue of your attitude. Again, I am telling attitude. Your attitude must be there to make others to do good work and to do good work by yourself. So this leadership is very important. Seminar projects are very important. These projects can give you good job. Seminar can also give you good job if you will focus on doing good work and with the latest technology. Then professional body membership. Okay, software literacy. Software literacy means programming language you had to plan. Some additional course, certificate course you need to plan. Professional body membership you must have. Because they are related to your co-curricular activities or related to the technical things. That professional body membership will have number of activities. Then skills for adopting online technology has become very important in this time period because COVID-19 has turned the world, forced the world to do the things in a very different manner. So you know now industrial expectation had changed and they will focus on your skills, how you adopt online technology very fast. That was my objective in taking your reflections creatively. How well you can just adopt. So Shruti immediately could focus her page and just brought it on the screen. Wonderful. So that way you must adopt and I will focus on this. Okay, online technology because that has become more and more important. And if you will not adopt this, then our teaching learning process will not happen. I don't think that just telling you my PPT is happening learning. No, sorry, that will be not learning. So software literacy, again it has come. So you can say instead of that software literacy, I can add foreign language literacy. Okay, because now see China banning is there, so it will also benefit India. And India will become really superpower. I think this situation will turn in the favorite of India, and all other countries will come and turn to the India. So number of countries will get merged and will look India for the all their industrial involvement. Because I will tell you, I did this leadership course from USA, and when we asked USA leaders, because as it was leading the leaders program, we just took interviews of number of leaders in number of sectors, and just we asked leaders in USA, what threat you are feeling from India, which is the most threatening things to you about the India. You know what was answer? He said that your IITs, Indian IITs is our most threat, because we miss all Indian used to come to USA for the job, but now India is making to launch industry, USA industries in India. That way it has changed us, and we have planned 400 industries. See, 400 industries we are planning to launch in India. That was the answer due to our talent. And I will tell you very proudly, out of 16 countries, my team was, it was cohort, not team. From my cohort, 16 country members were there. And you know, we 3 Indians were there. And I found Indians are too talented. Always we used to be ahead of all the members. So India is very good talent, but some weak points are also there. I will share you some time that also what I observed. and what they observed our weak points. So that way we can have discussion on that. But really our talent, intelligence, skill is very good. And whenever I visited Stanford, Berkeley, then I visited California, all software good banks and number of sectors. And you know, all Indians are leading at a very top officials. So that is so proudful. So that way, foreign language, I am talking about the literacy of foreign language. So just focus on which countries will merge in India and start doing courses in that foreign language. I don't know, but you can just do the survey and plan some programming course, plan some foreign language course. Lockdown period will give a lot of time because traveling time will reduce, practicals are not there. So that way you plan. And number of students have started asking me material course and this. I told him that don't ask now, stop doing course. So if you have already done course, why to do again and again course? Think some different, because your personality should develop on all these dimensions. You know, I'm calling it is multidimensional. So why you will go on adding certificate? Focus on this, your communication skill, leadership, cultural things. Then aptitude entrance test is also important. Even if you are not planning for higher studies, you plan giving GATE, GRE, that will help you to grow your personality. So not as a higher study plan, but as a quality development, you can think this entrance exam. Right now you plan when you will start your study, T or B, like that. Then start surveying which course, which class is good, which learning resources are good. That way also you can put up in your plan. Then personality development, soft skill communication, GK, IQ, EQ, and from my aspects, BQ is very important. Behavioral questions, okay? That is also important. What is your behavior, ethics, attitude, and values? So this is most important. Now you have to divide all these activities in 3 main years, and then again you can split that, subdivide it. Now let us see what can be program outcomes. Okay, if you will keep this in your mind, automatically you will start developing your way, because these program outcomes I have kept in my mind. So my teaching, I can tell you, my teaching focuses on all these aspects because they are in my heart. So I want this to keep in your heart and brain. Okay, so these 12 program outcomes are specified in NBA, and these are industrial demand in short. So what industry expect from you? Please mute yourself, some sound is giving me disturbance. So engineering knowledge. So first is engineering knowledge. Means whatever you will learn, material science, measurement, so apply that knowledge. Mathematics knowledge, science, engineering fundamentals to solve complex engineering and specialized problems. And unfortunately, I will tell you, my dear students, our course curriculum is not reaching to the full level to map this program outcome. Okay, that is called as mapping. If I am teaching you material science, in material science very simple problems are there. So you will not use all these knowledge, science, fundamentals and mathematics. Only I think material science problems are related to the science and engineering fundamentals. So mapping level can be 2, I can tell you. But if it will require mathematics also, then mapping level will become 3. So we need to map our course outcome with this program outcome. Okay, so that way I want to tell you very simple problems are there. Only one course or 2 course you will think that that course will require to use all these 3 knowledge. Then problem analysis, identify the problem, formulate it, review research literature. Whether review of research literature is there is in your course, you tell me, you tell, because now it has introduced in material science. I will tell you, it's there in material science, reviewing literature, research literature, and analyze complex engineering problems, mathematical, natural science, engineering. So you must able to identify problem, formulate problem. And you know, my dear students, PhD student also can't formulate their problem for first 2 years. because problem formulation is the important step of any research work, and this formulation unfortunately nobody understand in neat way. So I don't think that any engineering student can understand to formulate the problem, but I'm very happy to share you that my leadership course students, I already told you, there is Indo-Universal Collaboration of Engineering Education, IUCEE, I will say IUCEE in short, and that is just working for improving quality of engineering educations in India and in USA, Indo-Universal. I am working their coordinator for our institute, and 10 students we had selected from all the branches, and from our department only one student could do that. And in that 10 students leadership course, there were 500 students from all over India. 50 engineering colleges did that course. So in that leadership course, student from second year also learn to formulate the problem, to formulate project work, and define the project statement, leadership qualities, and they wrote research papers also, 2 research papers, survey papers, of course not that was research work, but that was research review they wrote, they presented at international platform. So wonderful work they did, So that way some extraordinary efforts are required apart from your course, that I want to tell you, unless and until it will not happen with this, because course is not designed up to that level, unfortunately. Then third is design development of solution, design solution, public health. Now listen here, whatever design you will do, they has to be related to public health, safety, cultural, societal, environmental. And how many courses are related to this? And in that course, if they are related to these aspects, whether you will do design and development. So you must keep in mind while selecting your seminar, project, that societal involvement contribution is very important. That way I said social work is very important. And apart means rather than social work, I will tell you techno-social work is very important. And that was the project for techno-social work. And for the best project proposal, they will give the funding also. Let us see whether our college will get funding or no. So that way third program outcome is required. And if you see, only 3 or 4 are related to the courses. So fourth expectation from industry, you can say conduct investigation and complex problem, again research based. So 4, you can say program outcome. Program means what? See, B electrical is a program, B mechanical is a program, B civil engineering is the program. So electrical engineering is program. And after 3 years, you will be completing electrical engineering program. So this should happen at the end of your B degree. So focus it. 4 POs are related to the courses. What else is required apart from the syllabus? Modern tool usage. See, modern tool usage means you must able to create, select, apply appropriate techniques. So I said you just think how you will make your picture to reach me. Use modern tool usage, because now we have started online teaching learning. We have to devise our own techniques, and I have devised my own techniques. I took attendance also. Okay, but I will take it again because I took attendance before your lecture time. So that way I don't want to give a shock. It will again, I will take it. So some methodology has to be used by you also. So modern tool usage, appropriate techniques. You must be able to create, not only select. Now you have just selected tool with you and you have just applied it to reach your response to me. But can you create that tool? See what is expected, you should able to create tool. So that way also this semester we'll think, because I do think you have caliber that creating some tool. You can create wonderful tool also, app also. That means tool means app, we can say in your language. So that is important. So you must learn this. It is not for me. Modern tool usage is for you how to demonstrate to the industry. Then engineer and society. So again, applying reasoning, contextual knowledge to assess societal, health, safety, legal, cultural issues. See, my dear students, you must focus on what is happening in the society, what issues are there, legal issues are there, cultural issues are there, and my program was to understand this, understanding between the Asia Pacific regions for their development and technology innovations. Some blending was there. So this is very important, because unless and until you don't understand these cultural issues, you cannot become leader. Leader has to focus on all these aspects: safety, health, societal. So all this is again and again come as an industrial need. So I think that who has founded a social organization, he has started his journey in a most beautiful way. So you can also think in that way. Then seventh graduate, engineering graduates will be able to see what is the word. Engineering graduates will be able to. So all these are requirement, expectation from you when you complete B. Environmental and sustainability. Understand the impact of professional engineering solutions in societal and environmental context. Sustainable development, again and again that is coming. Means if you are learning material science, there is no need just only to learn conducting material and insulating materials and dielectric material. What way it can be used for sustainable development, how we can care environmental and societal issues and do work by using material science knowledge, that way it is important. Then ethics, you must able to show, demonstrate ethical things. You must able to apply ethical principles and commit to professional ethics. Suppose in your placement question will be there, what ethics you learn, how you will apply ethics in your profession, in your job, in your industry, what you will tell. So I do focus on these aspects. Then individual and teamwork. So you as a individual student, you are working really fantastic. I'm satisfied with your response. But can you work in a team? And unfortunately, I will tell you, my leadership team, 10 students, I found all 10 students weak in this area. When 10 students come together, there were 3 teams made from the 10 students, and team was of 3 or 4 students, 2 teams of 3, and third team was 4. So they could not do good work in a team, because when you will work in a team, number of issues are coming, ego issues, jealousy issues. Why madam praised her, why madam told her and him and that way, and not doing the work. Team used to tell me, madam, he is out of range, he is in village, his network is not working. I said, you are in a team, you can do his work, and then after some time you give another work to him. Like that issues are coming, and I could not find a single student working well individually in a team. Forget about the teamwork, but you can do good work individually in a team. Means what? Suppose I am working with 2 students. So if I am working with 2 students, my work, individual work in a team should be good without any complications. So that lot of aspects are coming, and teamwork means our 3 team members work should be good. So that is very difficult, and I also faced too many challenges in my 25 members. That was really very tough time for me, because cultural diversity, age-wise diversity, background also diversity. No, miss only 2-3 from educational background. So lot of diversity was there, too many food and cultural issues and number of aspects, but I could just survive. You can tell me in a better way. I will tell you that journey and learning also, that is very good to listen that way, because I learn a lot. So individual and teamwork in a team is very important. Only one thing I will tell you, all I have to keep mum, because they were finding me leading. So jealousy and all these issues were there. So I started just watching job, observing job. That way we need to change our quality, change our place. So I used to say, now I have taken my seat in balcony from the stage. I am not working on stage. Now my role is changed from stage to balcony. I used to tell my mind, now switching over from stage to balcony. So we need to change drastically in our behavior, characteristics, role. So you will also learn it now. That way I have planned my all teaching activities. I always plan in a team only. Communication. So just now we have started from the first session, first lecture, some another dimensions of communications. When you are giving in chat box, your answer should not repeat. When you are selecting mode, you should not repeat the mode. Little bit something differently you have to think. So I am giving comments on your introduction video also. Most important thing is the context, what you are adding in your any assignment. Context plays very important role. So communication means not only the way of saying, but what you are saying, that is most important. So focus on it. Engineering community with society, effective presentation. They are written communication, they are verbal communication, and they are without written and verbal also. Silence is more meaningful, you know, silence is more meaningful. And somebody has given response in the chat box, body language. So that is most impactful communication. What body language we are keeping in the class, even if it is virtual class, if immediately I will ask you to switch on your videos, then immediately we'll come to know project management and finance. So it is not only related to your project, but little model, small mini projects, how you manage your work, management principles, leader in a team, projects, and multidisciplinary environment. Multidisciplinary environments, electrical knowledge, electronics knowledge, civil knowledge, lifelong learning, and then self-learning also. Self-learning means learning to learn. How you learn to learn, I think it's more important to develop your skills, learn to learn. And once you will learn to learn, then that will become lifelong. So this is my highest priority, to inculcate in you self-learning and lifelong learning. Because I don't think by teaching all the material science subjects you will remember everything, but whatever I will do this, you will go take it in lifelong. So try to divide all 12 POs in your own way in 3 or 4 classes, and that way you can plan where you will focus, you know. So this is my classification. I actually not my, I just give the different names to this. I have just merged in that. But I tell this my class knowledge. Then this is skill, what knowledge you will have, what skills you will develop, what will be your behavior and values attitude. So these two dimensions are more important. Knowledge, our education system is fully based on this. Just now India has started focusing on the skills. So India is right now higher education I am talking. So India's education right now is just focused on 1.5 dimension. Skill, just yet skill has started. But what about this? Higher education is not focusing on your behavior, values, attitude. So this is means the marking has to be there. You must be graded with that, you know. I just attended a morning one faculty development program, and that faculty was talking from UK, that person speaker, and what she said, you know, she said that now we have started online teaching learning, and after COVID still situation will remain. She is expecting that after COVID also online teaching learning has to continue and will continue, and then assessment has to be different. and then exam has to be also different, and they will play very less important role, because you have understood now for second year, first year, third year there are no exams, you passed also, and our terms are also started. But my B class, I just felt so sad for them. Yesterday only there was news declared again they are planning exam in September. So you know that, to keep that aside, but for you no exam. So like this online teaching learning will reduce the role of exam. And you know, before 5 to 7 years I used to say exam will not be there, exam will vanish. And I do think personally exam should not be there, because exam really don't assess student or learner in a meaningful way. Some another things are there to assess, like I told you, attitude is most important. If attitude is there, everything can happen easily, you know. If a student is very talented and number of skills is there, but if he don't want to tell all his colleague and classmates and just want to go ahead, what is use? So better way attitude is there, then some other things can be developed in that person. So that way I think my personal opinion, exam should not be there. And that will happen, I will tell you, that will happen, you know, because I always see ahead. And people say me, the friends which who know me in a detail, my colleague who know me in detail way, they say Mangal, the end is ahead of 10 years, and definitely exam will vanish. So what is students role in NBA? So everything depends upon you and you only. So as a NBA coordinator, I am taking this lecture. As a your course teacher, I am taking this lecture, and your role is very important. So I request your full support, your full contribution in the department NBA. You know, our department don't have NBA grade. So now that is on your shoulder. You must get department to get good grades, and you are 3 years in the department. So I hope your contribution will play major role, and department will be accredited soon with your contribution. So I have lot of hopes from AC Electrical. So this year or the years 20 to 2030 are vital, and this year specifically 2021 is vital. So this teaching learning process, you can just see. Now I will just tell you criterion 2, assignments marks are there, then your projects marks are there. Why we take assignment? You know, when committee will come, they will give 20 marks, and they just want average assignment and the best assignment. And how you do assignment work, it should not be copy work. So that way I will frame different assignments. 20 marks will be based on your assignments, your projects, mini projects, chart competition. 25 marks are there. I am not going to give marks. Staff members are not going to do this. You need to do all these things. Then initiatives related to industry interaction. How much you go in industry? See, little things, you just go and going industry, tell some workers English language, teach workers about hygienic things, teach worker for safety, teach worker for some communication styles, etiquettes, behavior. Not only technical involvement is expected. Unfortunately, people think in that way. But I told you, out of 12, 8 are related to societal health and safety, sustainability. So please do focus on all these things, and do industry interactions that way. Then initiatives related to industry internships, summer training. So do focus on doing summer training from this vacation. Of course, if you will get it, I don't think this semester you will get it, but plan for second year, second semester. 15 marks are here, 15 marks are there. So we need to increase our all these activities. That's why I am telling you, my dear students, Then course outcomes, program outcomes, 120 marks are there. See, what will be program outcomes 12? I told you we need to calculate the marks for that, and they are playing 120 marks. Attainment of course 50 marks. Every course will have these marks, and then attainment. They are rigorous procedures, you know, all these are rigorous procedures. So fourth criterion is related to the student. So students performance, your passing, whether it is clear passing, your success rate is important, whether you are going up or you are going down in between, that plays a very important role. Placement, higher studies, entrepreneurship, 40 marks are there. Okay, and always we see while taking admission, which college is important, where placements are going on. Well, I don't think college plays important role in placement, you know. It is only dependent on student and student, how you are develop yourself, what is your personality, what is your contribution, and then placement question comes. So even if you can say go in any college, develop yourself, you will get job. Placement never depends upon college, I don't think so. So they are just some oasis, means आपण मृगजळ म्हणतो मराठीत, तसे काही आहेत. 100% placement college म्हणतं, means what? If 2 students are eligible to got place, but out of how many 2 were eligible? You know, eligibility, company, industry specify your eligibility in terms of your aptitude skills, your group discussions, all screening process are there, and your marks, everything. Professional activities 20 marks are there. So magazine is required, department newsletters are required, yet we have not started this. Students internship, institute interactions, then faculty contribution is there, continuous improvement is there. First year academics is having 50 marks. So now you have completed this, but unfortunately this program outcomes, course outcomes, I don't think they are satisfactory. Student support system 50 marks, mentoring, feedback, self-learning, governance is there for quality of learning resources. So learning resources, e-learning resources, how much you are using. So Coursera was introduced to you, self-learning activities, what you do, 10 marks are there. So okay, so I hope that you have understood now your requirement. Now I will take 5 minutes more. I think I will complete at 2:20 or 2:25. Now I want to tell you about the leadership course, IUC. This IUC Indo Universal Collaboration for Engineering Education. Okay, this leadership course we conducted. Now they have launched more 4-5 courses. That way I want to ask you, if you are interested to work as a leader, come to me. Then 10 students will select from whole college, and then we will proceed further. So this was the leadership course which was completed. Now validatory function grand ceremony is there now in the next week. So our students will get certificates and just appreciation. So it was including, the topic was including in that leadership course, techno social activities also were there, clean water, rural health, affordable and clean energy, rural education, air pollution, affordable houses. See, these topics are very, very vital from NBA point and your placement point also. But if I will not introduce all these aspects, you would think that this is just what topics are there, not engineering, not electrical engineering, but these are only important. That again I want to bombard you. Now my request to you, please open today this Engineers Without Borders, EWB. Write down in your notebook, EWB. Engineers Without Borders. I want your chapter to establish in that. I have selected one teacher from college who will work as a coordinator for this. This is really good, you know, that is international NGO, and it is having 12 branches all over the world. And if you will have its membership, only 100 or 200 rupees are required for 1 year. And if you will have its membership, they will execute number of techno-social projects. They will give the grants, because in this lockdown period, my network has become strong, because I had been invited by a number of states engineering college to deliver training programs for other teachers. Because only one lecture they liked, which I conducted for our college in the month of June. They liked my lectures so much that I have started getting invitation from number of colleges. So I had developed number of contacts. So this is mainly from Hyderabad main branch. So that teacher was telling me that it helped her students a lot, and she was telling one experience that one student who could not complete the subject, but because of this he got the job in USA, and now he is in a leadership position in USA because of only project he could do with Engineers Without Borders. So I have videos about that also. Just I want to introduce you, go through their website. If you are ready to take membership, just tell me in our material science group. Now stop personal communication, because you know I have lot of individual communications due to all these teachers who are attending training programs. They are communicating me number of doubts and number of things. So please excuse me for your delayed communication. Just go on putting in our material science group. If you are interested for this membership, you put on there. So that one program they are launching, I will ask whether you are able to join that, because I'm joining their president, vice presidents are coming. That is international program. If I will get permission for you to attend, I will post you the link. I think it's on Saturday, I think. Let me check. So this website, you can just go through that website. I want my AC electrical students to become Engineers Without Borders members, because they are doing lot of good techno-social works. And we will do our whole material science class will do activities under the membership, professional body membership of EWB. Okay. Then IUC has given one course, soft skills certificate course, in collaborations with Business Excellence USA. So 10 students, 30 per student, the institute they can select 30 students per institution. So if you are interested in this soft skill, you contact me. I have not received any college coordinator yet for this, but I want 5 leaders from your class. Suppose one student will come, I had to work as a leader of soft skill. You go to principal, you ask, select faculty coordinator, mentor. Coordinator will be, I meant to select faculty mentor, go tell to other college students, then select 30 students and start doing that course. So that leader work will be there, and I will just focus on AC class to coordinator select. So this is for soft skill. You just see Business Excellence USA. And then this leadership excellence topic, just see what is that in the soft skill. So first topic is leadership excellence. Second topic is effective decision making, and Dr. Hora will conduct all this. Then third will effective time management. Fourth is effective teamwork, and fifth is effective project management and career development guidance. So 6 lectures are there. I think 2 lectures will be there in 1 month. So that is about the things. Another course is entrepreneurship. IUC's course on entrepreneurship educations. They will teach about your startup, and this content is there. You have the photo, design thinking, and then create minimum value product, create business model canvas, start selling the idea and negotiation exercises. So you will learn. See, all these will be at least, I think, national engineering college, national level engineering college students will be participating. Like I told, for leadership, 500 students, 50 colleges were there. So like that, you will have networking. You will learn from them how they do, because I observed South students, Kerala, Karnataka, Hyderabad, they just do in a very confident. Actually, of course, our college student also presented in a most confident way. When presentation was going on, no network, and it was expected all team members will present that presentation of 10 minutes, the project proposal idea, and network was fail. It was heavily raining, and immediately team leader said, I am going to present myself because my team members are not joining network. And he is the so bold way she presented, tears came in my eyes, looking at her confidence and the way she was presenting. So that is, we learn from each other. And that I also observed Hyderabad and South people students contact in the presentation was too good, damn good. Means the way they think and present projects, wonderful. Then I asked the coordinator, I called the coordinator, and then she said, Madam, due to EWB, my students have developed, because they teach everything, how to make project proposal, how to go in society, how to work on that project, and they are funding for your good ideas, in the lakhs they are providing fundings. And therefore I thought, why not to just start EWB membership in our college or our department. So that is entrepreneurship course. If you are interested, tell me about this entrepreneurship. That will be from August to November, 3 months course. That is 3 months course, and it will be weekly webinar. Through the weekly webinar, some assignments will be there. Then learning by doing exercise. Now see, you write down what is NBA, write down 4 dimensions of PO, and post your notes, picture, response to me. Now think it differently. I told you, think how you can make now, not just now, but up to evening. Okay, up to 10 o'clock you can send this response me in a picture form, not to my individual contact. Okay, I will tell you now this. I just gave you some hints. See, whether it would not have been possible to post your picture in our group. I made a WhatsApp group of material science. It was so easy, all students could have seen your picture and it could have reached to me. So that way you post in our material science group. Or you keep it yourself. You keep it yourself because that will be required for planning 4 dimensions of PO. In your own way, you just classify 12 POs. That 12 POs you will get on internet. You just put program outcome as per NBA. And just classify in your own way, because that you will require to plan, make it in planning your activities, and just keep that with you. So what is I want to tell in my this lecture, that I have focused on your success building. So success building, I will focus on goal setting also, manifesting goals also. So start now doing your teaching, plan for 6 semesters, planning for 3 years. Simultaneously do goal setting list. Already I told you, short term goal, long term goal. Short term goal means this semester to 1 year, second year, and long term goals means 2 years to 5 years. Goal setting you do, then I will take lecture on how we can manifest our goal also. Coaching skills to develop, values and priority settings, personal action plans. So this I will focus for your success building. Okay, you can suggest me any another topic if you are interested. Then leadership, I want to tell you, leadership is very, very important. The leadership, the way I told you, leadership is not by position. It is by virtue of our attitude, you must come ahead, you must lead for doing all the things, activity, positive attitude. So leading Leadership means what? Leading the self. I should lead myself. Leading in the team, leading in organization, developing general leadership skills, invitational leaderships, adaptive leadership, because you must able to adapt. Crisis leadership. I purposefully not admitted our students who are waiting, you know, because since morning you are attending lecture, and this is the not the way to tell that madam link is not working, because yesterday night I posted link. Have the trials, because this is our beginning. Have the trial, and I told you to give responses and ask attendance also. I took by opening, muting and unmuting, because my objectives are different. You must adopt this online technology very fast, because you are more techno savvy than us all teachers, you know. So that way this adaptation is very important, and we must think how we will be well adapted for this online teaching and learning. And this recording they can watch it, okay? So that way I am requesting you start your sharing also, because whatever introduction video you made, that you will share. I will invite all class teachers and you will share your video or whatever, and 5 minutes you will get, or 2-3 minutes you will get, because whole class we have to cover. So next Saturday we can plan next week, and that way you will share your own screen and you will give your own introduction that way, okay? So let us plan that way. You must be able to do all these things. So I hope now you will start doing planning for second year, third year, final year. Distribute that circle activities among all these three. Then again you plan second year first term and second year second term. That way you can, at least for second year you split up. For T and B don't split up, because depending upon this second year you can again redo that. So I would like to say you thank you. Now if questions are there, you just unmute yourself and ask me the question. Otherwise stop recording. Any question is there? Whether any question is there?